Hello and welcome to Nature's Abundant Garden. Today we're going to be discussing the vertical or climber layer of a permaculture food forest. This layer is an important component of the ecosystem and plays a vital role in the overall health and productivity of the food forest. The vertical or climber layer of a permaculture food forest consists of all the plants and organisms that grow upwards and use other plants or structures for support. This includes climbing vegetables, as well as vines and other plants that can be trained to grow vertically. One of the key principles of permaculture is to use and support the natural functions of the ecosystem, and this is especially important in the vertical or climber layer. By planting climbing vegetables and other vertical plants, we can maximize the use of space in the food forest and create a more diverse and productive ecosystem. There are many different vegetables and edible plants that can be included in the vertical or climber layer of a permaculture food forest. Some examples include pole beans. These long, slender beans grow on climbing vines and are a great source of protein. They can be grown on trellises or poles and come in a variety of colors, including green, yellow, and purple. Cucumbers. These vines produce refreshing and hydrating cucumbers that are great for snacking or adding to salads. They have a crisp and juicy texture and come in a range of sizes and shapes, including long and slender, round, and oblong. Peas. These sweet and crunchy legumes grow on climbing vines and are a good source of fiber and protein. They can be grown on trellises or poles and come in a variety of colors, including green, yellow, and purple. Squash. Many types of squash, such as zucchini and pumpkin, are vining plants that can be trained to grow vertically. They have a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and are a great source of vitamins and minerals. Melons, watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew melons are all examples of vines that can be grown vertically in a permaculture food forest. They have a sweet and juicy flesh and come in a range of sizes, shapes, and colors. In conclusion, by planting a diverse range of climbing vegetables and supporting the natural functions of the vertical layer, we can create a highly productive and sustainable food forest that benefits both humans and nature. Thank you for joining us today on Nature's Abundant Garden. We hope you found this discussion of the vertical layer of the permaculture food forest enlightening. Please comment below if you have any questions or suggestions on plants to include. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.